another great way of field creating an application method. That is unbelievable. That is incredible. The film, the backing, paper just came off. They just installed 150 square feet completed. Now they're going down, cleaning it up, pushing the air bubbles out. But as they drop that, that is fully adhered to the sheet, meaning the sheathing, the plywood, in merely 5 seconds time. And they'll continue doing this all the way down this wall. They're going to finish probably 800 to 1,000 square foot in a half hour here on this side.